Hello beautiful people, welcome back to glammegal, and today's video, as you can see from the title of the video already, we are going to talk about Lakme Argan Oil lipstick. So these are available on nykaa for close to 800 rupees. This is how the bullet looks. It's like a nice lush looking gold lipstick bullet. It's pretty sleek and yeah, I do like the packaging, and these are the 6 shades you're going to see, and as we go along I'm going to describe each shade. We're going to talk about how it feels, how it looks, do I recommend it, and let's just quickly begin the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and yeah, let's just begin. So these are the 6 shades you're going to be seeing today, and we're quickly going to start. And the first one is going to be the Lakme Argan Oil lipstick in the shade Lush Rose. It's a nice, like a little deeper pink fuchsia shade. And as you can see, these lipsticks are creamy lipsticks. They're easy to apply. They don't have a lot of staying power because they are like creamy and they're not like matte, so they don't adhere to your lips, but they make the lips look juicy and glossy. I do like this shade. And the next one is Drenched Red. This is such a wearable red. It's not too intimidating. As you can see, this is the first layer. It's not like extremely dark or too intimidating, as I said. So if and plus not a lot of, I don't like a lot of glossy looking reds, but this one I did like. They sit very comfortable on the lips. They make your lips feel moisturized. I do like the formula on these, and quite surprisingly I'm enjoying these lipsticks because I'm not a cream or a shiny lipstick person. And this one, as you can see, is soft mauve, I think. Yeah, so yeah, this is a very wearable shade. I would say this is going to suit fair to medium skin tones. On deeper skin tones, it will run a very nice wearable nude lipstick, but with the help of a lip liner. Again, I do like this shade a lot. And fourth one we're going with is Juicy Plum. No, to be very honest, this is not a shade I normally gravitate towards, and yeah, not something I do like go for. But this is a nice color if you are into berries and plummy tones. Again, very comfortable, does not bleed per se, and a good nighttime look lipstick, and also like good for winter months, I would say. Now this one is Pink Satin. This is like more like a bubblegum Barbie pink kind of a lipstick, which I initially thought is not going to look very flattering on my skin tone. But I surprised myself. I did quite like this color as well. I'm so sorry I'm playing with my hair so much, but I was really feeling this lip color. I would suggest like this is mostly for ideal for like fair skin tone. Medium and a deeper skin tone might not enjoy this one too much. Now I saved the best for the last. This one is a soft nude lipstick. Again, it's a little bit too nude. I have applied a little bit of a brown lip liner, as you can see, but my god, over smoky eyes, this is going to look so fabulous. I really like this shade. If you have like deeper skin tone, you can use this like just in the middle of your lips to get like an ombre effect for your lipsticks. I really am liking these lipsticks, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. A short sweet video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.